Hey everybody, welcome to this video where we're going to take a look at Zearn Math and its role in your instruction here in your math classroom. My name is Louie, your K-12 Instructional Technology Specialist. In this video, we're going to take a look at the basics, what's here, and where you can find basic instructional materials. But before we get into the instructional materials found on the Zearn website, it's important to understand how Zearn instruction is provided. Shown here is from Zearn. You'll see that each lesson begins with a whole group fluency or word problem example. This is meant to build numeracy and number fluency. The second half of the instructional block is split between independent digital lessons and small group lessons, and usually this is done by implementing flexible rotations, station rotations. In this video, we're going to take a look at both the digital independent lessons that are provided to the learners and also where to find the small group instruction that you'll be using in your small group lessons. In order to get to Zearn, you must first start at the Elenco gateway, pages.elenco.org. Zearn is found at the bottom of the content section. It's alphabetical. If you click on Zearn, you'll be prompted to sign in with Clever. Then you'll get to a page that looks like this. The most important section that you'll be looking at as a new teacher this year is the curriculum section. When you click on curriculum, you'll see that you can filter out the different curriculum instructional materials by grade, by mission, which are essentially units and lessons. So for example, I used to be a 5th grade teacher. I'll go to 5th grade. And here's my 5th grade overview. The missions listed here are essentially like units, and I can go to any one of these units. I'll start with Unit 1. And again, this is where a lot of my instructional materials can be found. You may have a paper-based teacher instructional material handbook in your classroom. When using Zearn, your teacher-led instruction can all be found here in this gray box, and you'll use this for your in-class instruction. Here you'll find whole group fluency, where you'll have a day-by-day list of instructional fluency activities to use in your class. You'll also have material for small group lessons that you'll use each day. Here I am at Topic A, Lesson 1. You'll see all the instructional materials that you need are here. It's important that you have this, that you've read over this, so that you are prepared to provide the highest quality instruction for your learners. You'll see the problems are laid out with examples, how to complete the examples with learners. Problem 2, Problem 3. Important notes for the teacher to use while instructing learners. And you'll see there's Lesson 2. Like I mentioned before, it's important to review your teacher instructional materials before teaching. And if you want, you can also have this at your side, either digitally in a PDF, or you can print this out for your instructional purposes. There's additional supplemental materials here. You have optional problem sets that you can print out, which will supplement what you're doing in the classroom. Let's head back to the mission page. If you scroll down past the teacher-led instructional materials, you'll see that all of the learner independent digital lessons are listed below. Zearn is organized into missions. Here I am, Mission 1. Topic A, Lesson 1. You'll see that each learner is assigned one lesson. They go through the number gym, which is a fluency activity, a math chat, which is guided practice that walks them through the lesson.
Hi, Zearner. I'm Miss Biso, here with Hannah and Jacob. Today's lesson.
The learners will get interactive questions throughout the video to assess for mastery,
Today,
much like this. Again, this will give you an overview of the materials that the learners have available for them when they sign in to Zearn. So in review, you have your teacher-led instructional materials, as well as independent digital lessons that I'll show you how to assign in another video. Thanks so much for watching this intro to Zearn instructional materials. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Louis Soper, or Adam Guyman at our email addresses, or if you see us around your school. We're happy to help in any way that we can. Until then, have fun Zearning!